Nestled in the heart of Auckland lies Cornwall Park, a lush, peaceful retreat that's perfect for families, nature lovers, and anyone looking to unwind from the busy city life. As we stroll through the park, you'll notice the wide open spaces, beautifully lined avenues, and towering trees that have stood here for generations. It's a place where children can run free, families gather for weekend picnics, and locals come to walk, jog, or simply breathe in the fresh air. One of the things that makes Cornwall Park truly special is how close it brings us to nature. You'll often see sheep and cows calmly grazing in the paddocks, right in the middle of the city. It's a great chance for kids to see farm animals up close and enjoy a bit of countryside charm without leaving Auckland. At the centre of the park stands One Tree Hill, or Maungakiekie, one of Auckland's most iconic volcanic cones. It holds deep cultural significance, especially to Maori, and offers one of the best panoramic views of the city. If you're up for it, the walk to the top is totally worth it. From the summit, you can see the skyline, the harbours, and on a clear day, even the distant Waitakere ranges. The obelisk at the top commemorates the legacy of Sir John Logan Campbell, who gifted the park to the people of New Zealand. Throughout the park, there are well-maintained paths for walking and cycling, barbecue spots, and even a charming little cafe for coffee or ice cream breaks. Whether you're here to relax under the trees, explore local history, or just enjoy a beautiful day out with family, Cornwall Park and One Tree Hill never disappoint. And days like this, surrounded by nature, laughter, and the people we love, are the ones that stay with us forever.